Hello everybody, Archipelago here. Today we are going to play Animal Hospital, but this time we are going to try to do a high shift. And I've been practicing off camera, so yeah, let's try. I'm going to make sure to like and subscribe. I'm almost there to 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe so I can face reveal. Alright, wait for visitors. Okay. Oh, I got a new avatar. My name is... I can't do that. I'm here for my appointment. Okay. Alright, I already know what to get for that. It's gonna be in room 1. I know what to give him. It's eye drops and herbs in the first round. Because I practice offline and supposedly it's always going to be these. Oh yeah, I skipped the doctor's dialogue, so I skipped the doctor's dialogue so I didn't have to go all through that. Oh, okay. I thought I'd give it to him. I've been so dead. And the reason why I'm being kind of quiet is because it's literally in the middle of the night right now. It's like 2 in the morning. Smell like egg. Herbs. Yep, I know it. It's always in the first shift. Hurry up! Shut up! I'm trying to figure it out for you. Joy, bro. You're from Inside Out, aren't you? Oh yeah, that's my cat. If you hear scratching, that's my cat. And guess what? First video in August. Insane. First video in August. Alright. I might cut some scenes, but it's because sometimes there might be scenes that are inappropriate or something like that, so I might have to blur it out or get rid of some scenes or blur it out something. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, skip doctor's dialogue. Shift 3 ports, 2 zeros, 2000 actually. I might as well just save some coffee. Hey, that's me! Oh yeah, I'm Matthew. So, I'm Lucas. Bro, come on. Oh yeah, if you hold this camera, look, watch, I can do this, like, watch. Like, if you take this camera or this photo to there, then you can actually see his photo. And I'll actually change his photo, but I'm not gonna do that. I'll save some coffee. I got 80% sanity. Oh wait, yeah, because it's an anomaly. I watched this video where it tells me all the anomalies. And I know which one is an anomaly and which one is not an anomaly. And supposedly there's a new update, by the way. Hello, my name is Oreo. This is the second time I had to deal with this second freaking name. This is the freaking second time, bro. The second time I had to deal with this name. I'll be in room 3. Okay. Okay, he might be a headbanger or a person. Okay, he's a person. Sorry. Let's see, if you go inside of him, it will show that he's an anomaly. If you try to go inside him, he will show. Bro. Wait, be quiet? Do you hear that? Hey! I want to check in as a patient. Okay, I had like 5 patients to deal with. I'm not looking at their image because that's a strat. I'm gonna go check the cameras now. Okay, yep, he's an anomaly. For real. Get out of here. Are you serious right now, bro? You turned me away. Get out of here. Okay. If I was real out there, I wouldn't have to deal with all this stuff. Hello, my name is Tommy something. I'm here for my appointment. I'm just gonna call you Tommy Jefferson. Are you from Talking Tom? Because you want to be great. You're from Talking Tom, aren't you? That little kid's anthem game. Like, oh, I got goopy. I would be him too. Okay. Should I save some coffee for Barney? Yeah, I should. Alright, I'm gonna grab this coffee for me and then... Alright. Got one sip. Hello, my name is Lewis. Yummy. What is it? Help me! What is it? Oh my god! Oh my god. Bro, I was about to die from this little monster. I'm gonna kill this monster so bad. Help me! I shouldn't give him maple syrup. I already know some information about this game. He needs bandages, I should know. You should know now since I play this game a lot. I play it off camera too. Be covering. Okay, I need to get this patient. Hurry up. Bro, I had to deal with that patient. Do you want him to die or what? Okay. Why do you have to throw water at anomalies or bed? I should got the taser ready. Oh my god. Bed monsters are stuff. Well, you're an anomaly. There's another one coming in right now. I don't care. I don't have time to read names now. I'm here for my appointment. Okay. So that person that said I want to visit somebody, he might be an anomaly in their picture, or it just means like they want to check out somebody like in real life. In real life or something. I mean, one. No, I don't want to buy 20 Robux. I don't want to buy 20 Robux with my mom's credit card. That would be insane, bro. Imagine I just spent 20 Robux on my mom's credit card. She'd be like, oh, sorry, what's this? I'm like, oh, it's Robux. I gotta buy something with it. And she's like, oh, okay, I don't care. I'm gonna ground you for the rest of the month now. First video in August. I'm so happy about this. Hold on, be right back. Video. Well, okay, blah blah blah. I have to cut that. Why did I say video? Oh my god. I know what he needs. He needs that, and then he needs eye drops. See, I'm a genius at this game, bro. I'm a genius. Oh yeah. Like and subscribe if you want more content of this, and comment down below if you want more. Bro, what this little cat, bro? I like him, but bro, he's my brother. Okay. This is okay. I got this coffee for myself. Bro, this little cat. Put him outside later. I'm done handling that. I had to go do some background check on my pet. Bye bye. Oh yeah, like and subscribe if you want more content of this, like Space Engine Universe and well, I don't have Space Engine, but. Another problem again. What was that? Okay. Alright, I got Ron. Headache, he needs medicine. Of course he needs medicine because he got headache. I mean, that's what my mom would do. She would just get a headache and I would just give her bandages. Wait, no, wait, that wouldn't make sense anyway. Oh my god, I want to chase him so bad. Where is this? I want to taste the soap. Alright guys, I gotta end the video right here because it's running out of storage right now. So goodbye, Archie Brother out, and peace out.